everyone, welcome back to Platter Prism. Today let's cook Hyderabadi chicken halim in a very simple method. Let's get started. The first step is to marinate the chicken. For this I have taken half kg chicken in a bowl and added 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1.5 teaspoon garam masala, 2 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1/3 cup curd, 6 cut green chilies, 1/4 cup coriander leaves and 1/4 cup mint leaves. We will mix everything well and marinate for 1 hour. Here I have taken few chicken pieces with bones for the nice taste. If you wish, you can take completely boneless chicken as well. The chicken is well marinated for 1 hour. Now we will cook it. For this I have heated 2 tablespoons of oil and adding 1 tablespoon of ghee because it enhances the taste of the halim. When the oil is heated, add half teaspoon SHAHIJEERA, 1 inch cinnamon stick, half teaspoon peppercorns, 5 cloves and 3 cardamom. Sort all the spices till they turn aromatic. Now we will add 1 thinly sliced onion and fry it till it gets a nice brown color. Now we will add the marinated chicken and saute it well for 5 minutes on high flame. I have added little salt to adjust the taste. Now we can see the oil is also floating on the top. That means the spices are cooked well. We will add 1.5 cups of water and pressure cook the chicken for 10 whistles. The chicken needs to become very soft so that it becomes easy for us to mash it later. So we are cooking it for 10 whistles. Now the chicken is cooked very well and it has become so soft. I have used a wooden masher to mash the chicken. Try to mash the chicken as fine as possible. After mashing the chicken well, keep it aside. In another pan, I am heating 1 teaspoon of ghee and frying the cashew nuts till they turn into nice brown color. These cashew nuts are for the final garnishing of the halim. So once they turn into brown color, we will keep them aside. In the same pan, I am heating 1 more teaspoon of ghee. To this I am adding 3 teaspoons of urad dal, 2 teaspoons of moong dal, 2 teaspoons of chana dal, 2 teaspoons of basmati rice, 6 almonds and 12 cashew nuts. Fry them till they turn aromatic and slightly changes the color. After that we will cool them down and powder it.
In a
pressure cooker, I am adding the powder which we have prepared earlier from the dal. To this I am adding 1.5 cups of wheat dalia. I have washed it properly and adding it here. To this I am adding 1.5 liters of water and pressure cooking it for 6 whistles. After pressure cooking, the wheat dalia becomes so soft like this. To this we will add the mashed chicken. Now we will add 4 fried onions, 1 teaspoon of salt because we have not added while cooking beef dalia, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 2 tablespoon ghee, one-fourth cup of coriander leaves and 1/4 cup of mint leaves. Now we need to keep on mashing the haleem for at least half an hour by keeping this on a medium flame. If you feel this is becoming little thicker, you can add water and keep on mashing till it gets this kind of consistency. Finally, our Hyderabadi chicken haleem is ready. Thank you for watching this video. You can also find the written recipe in the description box below. Please subscribe and hit on the bell icon for more delicious recipes.